Good afternoon. Today I'm going to teach you how to access the Office 365 feature, which many of our students use during school at home. So I'm going to show you a short video on how you can access Office 365 at home, and then you can download it onto your computer. Office 365 is a program we use which includes Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and a few other programs that are new to our schools this year. So begin by going to springfieldpublicschools.com, and then once there you're going to click on the Student tab. That will bring you to a student page, and if you scroll down to the page, you're going to click all the way down. You see it says Student Quick Links here, but if you go a little bit further down to the Student Application section, that will bring you to this page. This is a application page which has many of the applications that our students use during the day at school that they could also access at home. Once you get on this page, you want to click on the Office 365 link, and it will bring you to a sign-in page. Now, the way that they will sign in is with their ID number, which is also their lunch code, which they know, and their password is going to be capital S, P, and then their birthday written out in digits. For example, my birthday is October 28th, so my password would be capital S, P, 1028. I'll show you how to log on with my email and username, which again is going to be different than theirs. Once you log in, it'll ask you if you want to stay signed in, which you can do, and then it brings you to the main Office 365 page. So right here now, you can see that we have many different programs that we use. Currently in 5th grade, we are using the OneDrive to save all of our files. We use the class notebook, we use Word, Excel, and Microsoft Teams. So this is how you can log into Office 365 and access it at home. One really cool feature that we have in Springfield is you can see where my mouse is highlighting. If you do not have Microsoft Office at home, you can download them to your computer by clicking on this Install Office Apps. And this will install everything on your computer at home for free. I believe you can download this on up to 5 computers at home as well. Thank you. Again, this is how to log into Office 365.